Thank you so much, Alex. It's great to see you, and I'm just so grateful for all that you do for our party, not just in Dauphin County, but all across Pennsylvania. I'm grateful for what you've done for me. I did run to be a different kind of attorney general, and I ran with your help in those ads, and I appreciate it very much. And to all of you, I wish we were together. I wish we had the opportunity, like the pictures that Rajette posted in the video beforehand. I wish we had the opportunity to be back together in person. And so, first and foremost, I hope you are all healthy and safe and taking care of yourselves. And I know that as you do that, you're also doing the work to get us ready for election month here and ultimately election day on November 3rd. I just want to thank Rajette for your extraordinary support over many years. This ain't my first Dauphin County Dems event, and it won't be my last. But it is the first one with former Attorney General Eric Holder, and you're in for a real treat to hear from the general, a terrific guy and someone who's worked incredibly hard to secure the vote and to protect all people. I won't go through all the work that we've done in the Office of Attorney General, but I will say that it's been the honor of my lifetime to serve as your Attorney General, to take on the biggest fights, and to make sure that the rule of law applies fairly across the board, no matter, as Alex said, what you look like or where you come from, who you love, or who you pray or choose not to pray to. That's the central focus of our work. And, some of you were there when I was sworn in on January 17th, 2017. And I said that day, whether you're a drug dealer infecting our communities with poisons or some multinational corporation taking advantage of consumers, or even the president of the United States, if you try to mess with a Pennsylvanian, then you're going to have to come through me. And as Alex said, we've seen the president many times in court and we've won. And now we're fighting perhaps the biggest battle, and that is the one that is most central to our democracy, and that is protecting your right to vote. We live in a country and in a commonwealth where we have a president of the United States who has quite literally sued to make it harder for you to vote. I mean, think about this. We've had presidents in the past, certainly, that we disagree with, but we've never, I don't think in my lifetime, had a president that has actively tried to undermine our democracy, discredit our voting simply to try and give him a perceived advantage. The good news is we're fighting back. We've been in court and we've beat this guy every single time. On Saturday, a federal judge ruled, and I won't nerd out on you here, but I do want to just kind of explain the elements really quick. A federal judge ruled against the president. He basically alleged that our vote by mail system, pardon me, our vote by mail system was unlawful because of all the fraud, as he alleged, that was going to come to Pennsylvania because of vote by mail. Now, he actually had a pretty low legal bar to jump over. And I don't know if General Holder's on the call yet. He'll certainly know what I'm talking about. The president didn't need to demonstrate actual fraud. He just needed to be able to demonstrate the possibility that fraud would come as a result of our vote by mail laws here in Pennsylvania. And he couldn't even get over that low bar. We beat him in court. We shut him down. Actually, we shut him down twice last week. If he wants to file another lawsuit, we'll beat him again. And so my message to you today is to rest easy knowing that we're on this and I've got your back. But my message is also that you need to get out there and make your plan to vote. I voted today. That's why I'm wearing this sticker. I went to a satellite voting center in Montgomery County, where I'm from, and I cast my ballot early. It's locked in. It's there. And you know what? You never know what's going to come up on election day. A kid gets sick or you get caught up at work, whatever the case may be. So make your plan to vote now and get it done and bank that vote. It was easy and it was straightforward. Ignore the noise coming from the president. And finally, what I would ask you to do, since you're all community leaders in your own right, is help your neighbors. There's only so much we can do with commercials on TV and literature in the mail and being dropped off at doors. Your neighbors look to you as guides, not just on who to vote for, but how to vote in this new system we have. And what I hope you'll tell your neighbors is there's no wrong door. You can show up on election day, you can vote early, you can vote through the mail. But the bottom line is make that plan to vote. and understand that your neighbors are looking to you for answers. They hear the noise coming from this president, and they want to be assured and comforted that their vote is going to be secured, protected, and counted. I'm on it. The governor's on it. Others are on it in making sure that they're secured, protected, and counted. But what you need to help us do is make sure everybody makes a plan to vote and gets out there. Look, as I said at the top, it's been the honor of my lifetime to serve as your Attorney General. God willing, with your help, I'll have the opportunity to continue to do that work and to continue to make sure that we put people before powerful institutions and make sure that everyone in our Commonwealth is looked after. So you make your plan to vote. I'll keep beating the president in court to secure that vote. And I look forward to hopefully seeing you all in person again soon. Stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Be well, everybody.